And as Prime Minister Modi heads to China for his first visit as Prime Minister, we talk to Indian and Chinese students at the Peking University on everything from politics to Bollywood. Well, as Prime Minister Modi heads to China, there's a lot of interest here in what he has to offer and how this relationship can be taken forward. We are here at Peking University, which is a historic campus, and we're joined by a mix of Indian and Chinese students who are studying here. We thought it would be nice to get a sense from Generation Next on what they think of this relationship. And let me come to this young man here first. You're a student of Hindi. Firstly, you have a Hindi name, I believe.
Yes, my Hindi name is Anand.
तो अब हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं कि आपको क्या लगता है कि जब प्रधानमंत्री मोदी आएंगे तो क्या होगा?
Can I speak in English?
Okay.
Okay. I think that Modi's visit to China has great significance. It can promote the cooperation between the two countries in many areas like economy and trade and tourism. And other aspects.
Okay, Bhargavi, you are a student here, and in fact, you've lived here in China for much of your life. What are the common misunderstandings about the two countries that young people have?
It's often seen that China is a country where they eat everything, and that they don't have any.
What do you mean by everything?
That
everything.
Eat like everything that is like meat and. But it's not true. There's a lot of vegetarian restaurants here, and I welcome all the Indians to come here and try for themselves.
So you think the biggest misconception is about food?
Yes, I do.
What are the misconceptions or the impressions that Chinese students have? Like when you were growing up, what did you know about India, or what were you taught about India?
I think that when I was young, I was told that India is a really historical country. It has really great and colorful history and a really dynamic culture. And so that's what we are told about India. And also we were told that China and India are two biggest developing countries in the world. So these two countries have to cooperate with each other, and they are the emerging power in the world. So they are the two really important countries.
But is there something that when you were growing up and before you met, fellow Indian students that you were told about India which didn't turn out to be true? Like she talks about the, everyone eats meat issue. But is there something you thought about India which you don't think anymore?
Actually, I knew India when I was 6 years old because of the Hindi films. So I think my thoughts about India is more, more true than others, like they dancing, they singing like that, and I love their culture like that.
No, so when you say you love Hindi movies, so who's your favorite actor?
Actually, Shah Rukh is my favorite actor.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, but tomorrow I will dance for Aamir Khan.
Aamir Khan was here actually, wasn't he, on campus, and you got a chance to meet him?
Not in the campus, but in Beijing, yeah. Yes, I will have a chance to meet him.
Okay.
And actually, I met him the day before yesterday, and I took a photo with him and also take his autograph. I'm so excited.
Is there anyone else here who's fond of Bollywood films? Anyone who's ever seen a Hindi movie before? Apart from Manish, who's from India. Okay, let me just come to the gentleman here on the other side. Manish is here, and Manish is a nanochemistry student at the university, and it's interesting because you've lived and your entire life in India, and you just came here a couple of years ago. So what were your impressions of China, and what changed for you?
First of all, before coming here, so whenever I say to in my country to anyone, so I'm going to China and doing my PhD in there. They ask China, and they say, okay, you're China going, so it's okay, no problem. But whenever I say about the Peking University, they said, oh, it's a very nice university. The first important I'm saying that in science, like 10 years to 15 years before, China have no any university have any ranking. And after 15 years, they suddenly it's come on the under 50 ranking on the so many university 2 and 3. So it's depend upon how they work. The people are working here. So in China and India have a difference, not that much difference, but little difference. So both country we have to learn each other from what we have a demerit in some India and what demerit we have some about China. So we can learn and we can improve ourselves, and in that basis we can make a good relationship.
Okay, let me ask these young girls. What do you know about India? Do you think you understand India better?
Actually, I think we are neighbors, but in some things we are still strangers, and we don't have so much communication between small and medium-sized enterprises, and we still have a lot of understanding towards each other.
I think what you said is very interesting, that we're still strangers in so many ways, and one of the reasons for that is like we have a border which there is under dispute. China has a close relationship with Pakistan, which India is uncomfortable about. Do you think that there's a way for the two countries to bridge that trust deficit, that gap?
मेरे विचार से
Try.
ठीक है तो मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी कि मेरे विचार से कि हो सकता है इस समस्या को खुदाने के लिए हमारी बातचीत होना चाहिए और एक दूसरे का कल्चर एक्सचेंज होना चाहिए. हम जिन्हें विद्यार्थी या जिन्हें लोग वहाँ जाना चाहिए और वहाँ के लोग यहाँ भी आना चाहिए. और यह तो एक बहुत अच्छी बात है कि मोदी जी आ रहे हैं और हमारे शी जिनपिंग हमारे नेता भी वहाँ गए. इसलिए तो यही समस्या मुझे लगता है कि हो सकता है धीरे धीरे तो ठीक हो जाएगी.
Okay.
अवश्य.
Very good. Your Hindi is actually very good. आप भी हिंदी के स्टूडेंट हैं? आप भी हिंदी में बात करेंगे?
हाँ जी, मैं हिंदी विभाग का स्टूडेंट हूँ. मैं सोचता हूँ कि ये जो पाकिस्तान और इंडिया है, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब मोदी जी से कहना चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा मत सोचिए कि जब चाइना का पाकिस्तान से ये बहुत अच्छा संबंध होता है तो हमें भारत से ही मतलब एक हाँ मतलब दुश्मनी रखनी चाहिए. ऐसी ये कोई बात नहीं है. और अभी भी कहा जा रहा है कि पाकिस्तान, चाइना और भारत तीनों साइड को एक बातचीत होना चाहिए ताकि हमारे तीनों देशों के बीच एक बहुत अच्छा संबंध मजबूत हो जाएगा.
Okay, well, you all have some very very interesting and diverse views on the two countries. Would you like to tell us or sing a little bit for us your favorite Hindi song, and we can end it there?
Not song, can I say some dialogue scene from the movie? Actually, my favorite movie is DDLJ, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, and Obama also said that bari bari deshon mein aise choti choti baatein hoti rehti hain na. And another line is from Mohabbattan, दुनिया में कितने हैं नफरतें फिर भी दिलों में है चाहते, चाहोगे तो इस चाहत से इस समय से रुक ना सकेंगे अब ये मोहब्बतें.
Well done. Well, it was lovely. It was lovely to talk to you, and thank you very much for giving us some idea. It's really an eye-opener when you come here to the university and you talk to these young people and how different they are from the general stereotypes that one is often used to when it comes to India and China. So it's really been a pleasure to talk to them. Thank you very much. Thank you.